Okay, so just wanted to, this is the new O2 sensor going in. And so what I did, same thing, just put your crow's foot on there, okay? And I'm gonna have it like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start tapping it. Just tap it tight, okay? I got it as pretty much as tight as I can by hand. But to take this bitch off, okay, what I did is I just had it like that, all right? And what I did was I just took this little pry bar nail remover, okay, and I just put it right there and just gently started tapping it, okay? Make sure you soak the shit out of it with some type of penetrating fluid, all right? Because if you're trying to do this without taking the manifold off, and of course if you snap this bitch off in there, well, you're gonna have a new manifold to come on anyways. So there you guys go. I looked everywhere on the internet for a video like this and I could not find shit. So, and then one guy on this Lexus forums told me to remove the throttle body and it's a straight shot. Well, I'm thinking he's talking about that O2 sensor because he doesn't know jack and shit. So hopefully this solves up my codes, because I had the VVTi. I replaced that solenoid right there and cleaned the filter out, and when it was throwing the O2 codes, this is the new one at first, and it helped it a lot, but this is the problem, hopefully the culprit. So I'll make one more video when this is on, and we'll see how it goes.